My name is Edvin Cardenas. I'm with North Sky Communications, and we're out here at Seattle, at Washington Avenue and Alaskan Way. We're going to be using some Easy Street to fix the sidewalk. We'll be removing the steel plates. Once we remove the steel plates, we're going to go ahead and grab the EC that's on the side of the steel plates, put it inside the trench, and then we're going to go get new EC and put it on top, and we're going to go ahead and use our vibrator to compact it and make it safe for pedestrians to walk. This is the coal mix we have stockpiled on our job site down the road. This is what we're going to be using to finish restoring this sidewalk. So I'm going to start on this end and work my way towards our vault. Once we have everything laid out, we're going to go ahead and use the vibrator at the very end pretty much and complete the job. It's going to sink eventually, so that's why we leave it like an inch or two higher than the sidewalk, so when we compact it, it'll stay level with the sidewalk. We got it pretty even now. We can go ahead and hit it once and see how it comes out. If it's a little too low and we still need more, we'll go ahead and grab another bucketful, sprinkle it around, and pretty much the goal is to get it as close as possible level with the sidewalk here. So it's no bumps, it's no dips. Try to get it nice and perfect. And this is how we use Easy Street in downtown Seattle.